Hey guys, it's Sup. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we are the hosts of Sup.
Yes, and today we are making Chipsi Mayai.
From Tanzania. It's a very simple dish. You only need 3 ingredients: potatoes, eggs,
and
oil. And salt to taste.
And pepper as well. But, I mean, 3 ingredients mainly. You don't need the salt or the pepper, even though it'll be very bland. And you also do not need...
That's it.
No, that's it.
All right, let's get started.
Sarah's gonna pour a fourth of an inch.
You pour it.
I don't want to be doing
Pour it.
For the oil to heat up, it takes about 5 minutes if your pan is already hot. Here we go.
So now we're going to cut the potatoes.
I'm gonna cut off both ends of the potato. And now I'm gonna sit it upright since we have a stable surface for the potato to stand on. Now I'm gonna cut this end off. There we go. And then this end off. Every single end. And it's okay to leave some of the peel on. There we go. I am just doing this so we can get a uniform shape. Always remember to use the claw. The claw is basically when you make a claw with your fingers, like this. So, if you do end up cutting yourself, you will be cutting your nail and that will not hurt. And never bring your knife above your hand or else you will cut yourself. This kind of knife cut is called a bassinet.
Chipsi Mayai is a popular street food cooked in Tanzania by street vendors in Big Black Walk.
To make sure that the oil is hot enough, just put your hand over top. Do not do this too far down. Just do it like this, hover above it, and you can feel the residual heat. That means that it is perfect for frying.
I put it in gently. Make sure you put it in gently so you don't burn yourself. Oil really hurts when it's hot.
It takes about 15 minutes to cook. You want them to get nice, golden brown and crispy.
Now we're going to crack and beat the eggs. In Swahili, which is a language used in East Africa, chipsi means fry, or French fry, or chip, and mayai means egg.
I'm gonna add the black pepper into the egg mixture.
And the salt too.
So you can add anything to the eggs, anything that you like in your omelet. Chives, salt, pepper. You don't have to add salt or pepper, but it makes it taste good.
Vegetables.
Vegetables, mushrooms, anything. Literally anything. Anything
Cheese.
in your garden. Anything in your garden.
Is cheese in your garden?
Cheese is in my garden.
The fries look very good. They're browning perfectly, and we're about to add the eggs.
We have to get all of the oil out first.
Now I'm going to pour in the eggs.
Gotta do it all around. There we go. It's gonna take a couple seconds, like 30 seconds about. Then we're gonna flip it.
You can see it's already like hardening.
Now I'm going to flip the Chipsi Mayai.
Ooh.
You have to flip the whole thing.
So yes, now it's done and we're gonna try.
Let's do it. All right, gotta put it by here. Cooking forward, huh?
Mmm. It's very good.
It's very good.
The fries are so good.
The fries are nice, crispy.
Mm-hmm.
Potatoes nice and fluffy. Potatoes are nice and crispy. And the eggs are perfectly fluffy.
For more recipes like these, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sup Kids Cooking, and go to our website, supkidscooking.com.
Yes, please. And also, go to Amazon for a new cookbook, Snackcation, on Amazon right now. We also have an audiobook.
Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Bye, guys.